Hi, everybody. Paul here. I just want to go into a little bit more of this Flyp Crosslister app and show you how to take items from eBay and put it into your system, your app. Here is Flyp Crosslister. It is a Chrome web extension. So I'll have a link on the bottom for you to join. It's free. I know in the past I've talked about it. A lot of people have talked about it, but I've done a lot of research. The company is genuine. They have a lot of products, and just Flyp is just one of them. So once you get into it, you want to click right here. It's going to be up here in your extensions. You want to click here, and it's going to open up like this. So you can go to My Items, and it'll show you all your items that you have. Now, a couple of these I just cross-posted to Mercari and eBay today. Just did it today. Like this one here. Just did that today. Just did all three of these today. So like I said, it is really, really easy. So what you want to do, what you want to do is you want to import, when you're on this universal form basic first page, it gives you all the places here. It shows you all the places right now, like Shopify's coming soon. It gives you all the places you could list, cross list, post all your items to. But let's say you have a lot of items in eBay and you want to cross list those. Import from eBay. So I have 180 items listed on eBay. And you want to go down and see which ones you want to cross post. So let's just say Fantastic Beasts, import. Importing from this may take some time. Thank you for your patience. All right, so here it is, universal form. Now, of course, from here, I can put it on Poshmark, eBay, Mercari, Facebook, Etsy, Depop coming soon. Oh, Etsy's coming soon. Shopify. You put it all those places. So let's just say I just want to go to Mercari. Now, once again, I have a lot of text here. I'm going to get rid of some of that. Category. Now I want to say home, right? Home, artwork, posters. Buyer pays. Shipping label. UPS ground. UPS on movie posters is much better deal than postal. List on Mercari. Now, granted, I could cut and paste and do it just like that, but it's done. You know, I'm on the form here. It's done. Go to My Items, and there it is. eBay. It's on eBay and Mercari. eBay and Mercari. New item. So you can pick and choose which listings you want to cross post. I have one poster listed on Facebook Marketplace right now, but it's this one. I have it listed at $40 or $42. Ant-Man seems to be a popular one. All the Marvel ones are popular. So let's just try this one. Again, only have one image for it. Mercari. If I can get rid of a lot of space. There we go. So brand, category. I like it. Home and artwork, posters. I don't know if did it have media memorabilia. No, if it had media memorabilia, then I would do that. Buyer pays shipping. Yes, yes. Shipping label, UPS ground, and list on Mercari. and take a sip of coffee, maybe 2 sips of coffee, and it's listed. So go back up here, you got the check mark. So now it's on eBay and Mercari. Go back to my items, new item. I want to take it from Mercari. I want to take it from eBay. You can go to Mercari. It'll bring up all your listings from Mercari and put them on eBay. You can go back and forth. And there's all my eBay listings. Let's go down. Let's see. Taken here. Taken 3. Liam Neeson. Good movie. I like him as an actor anyway. So I want to go to Mercari. Once again, too much information there. No brand, category, home, artwork, posters. I want buyer to pay. Listing price, I'm going to bring that to 6. Shipping label, UPS, list on Mercari. 1, 2, 3 sips of coffee, little bite of toast in the morning, yada, 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 and it's listed. That simple. That simple. Go to Mercari, refresh, shows you all the newest ones first. There's the posters I just listed. Right there. And they're already on my eBay. So now I have 53 listings active on Mercari. And that's how easy it is. And you know what it is. It's like now it's all about where can I put my stuff where more people will see it. So cross-listing, cross-posting to these other platforms will work. And then if it sells, you just delist it, remove it, mark it as sold. But let me show you something on this also. Let me do one more. Let's see, San Andreas. Let's do Fallout. I'm trying to get the, Tom Cruise, a hot actor, so people might be interested. Once again, too much text. Perfect. No brand. Category, home, artwork, posters, buyer pays. Everything's already in there from when I put it in there originally. Ground shipping. I'm going to make that 6. And I'm going to list it on Mercari. I'm going to put the mouse down. I'm going to grab a sip, maybe 2 sips, maybe 3 sips of coffee. And before you know it, it's listed on Mercari. Right like that. These are my items. Now, somebody just left because they just bought something. I just sold this 20 minutes ago. All right. So if I go to my form here, because on this, when you sell something, you can put in how much it cost you, how much you got for it, and what platform you sold it on. And it gives you all that right here. So in just this week alone, in these 8 days, sold 4 items, 13 listed, average sales price $51, made $205, revenue for $125 profit. So once things start selling on Mercari and eBay, and I put it in here, then it'll give me better idea of the data. You know what they say, garbage in, garbage out. So I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you liked that. Like I said, it's just a little bit more on using the Crosslister program. And basically, it's about making more profit for your business. So that's it, everyone. Have a great day and make some money. That's the end of another great show, everybody. Thank you very much for coming in. Hope you enjoyed yourself. Hope you even learned a little something. And as always, thank you for your support. And please subscribe to the channel for more great content like we did have today. And Maddie, do you want to tell the people goodbye and have a great day?